Welcome back. The kids are out of school now and summer's officially underway. You got to get yourself ready for some summer parties. We have DIY expert Denise Wild here. Thanks so much for coming.
Thank you for having me.
So lots of fun things to do in the summer, but being a parent myself, I'm thinking kid-friendly things. I know you brought something that I really like.
We're eyeing all these colorful colors. So these are just some ideas for when you're hosting, whether it's a big gathering, a small gathering, things to simplify, make your party easy. So let's start off with a little station for the kids. You can grab a bucket and put in some favorite things that they would love to play with. Bubbles. Who doesn't love bubbles? And these actually, let's open one of these up.
Should we do
one?
one?
Bubbles, water guns, maybe some sidewalk chalk. Let's see, there we go. There we go.
Oh, hey now, yeah.
So just having this little station set up for the kids, they can go there, they can grab stuff, you know, keep them entertained, and everybody, you know, even the adults will love to dive into
Well, yeah,
it
and what parent doesn't know, you take your kids to a family event or something, and they need to be entertained.
Right, yes.
So, you know, a host who's got all this stuff, they're automatically in the parents' good books.
Outside, bubbles, have them run around, everyone's happy.
All right, so you got the toys for the kids, maybe some snackage for the kids too here,
so of course we've got the iconic Lay's OG chip, and they've actually teamed up with other snack brands, so Doritos, Miss Vicky's, and Smart Food, and they've made these limited edition flavors.
Nice.
So you have the Lay's nacho cheese, you have the Lay's spicy dill pickle, and the Lay's white cheddar, and you know, so delicious. Here's an interesting way to present them. I have these various jars in different containers. I just have these labels that I put some chalk onto, and then you put them in. I'm gonna put some chips in here.
Yeah, let's see.
And it just kind of elevates your presentation of the chips. Of course, when the company comes, you can take off the lids, but you know, just makes it extra special. Are you eyeing any of these flavors by any chance?
I shouldn't. Yeah, I think that one right there, I'll give an open if that's all right.
There we go. You bust into that one. I'm gonna fill up this one. Oops, and then try not to make such a big mess. But you know, it just makes the presentation of your snack foods that much better. And I don't know how are they?
That is really good.
Oh yeah,
but I like dill pickle chips. What's
yes.
Oh, those
this
smell
is
good
the Lay's
too.
white cheddar. I think my label's crooked, but you get the idea. It just looks really nice. And I don't know if you've seen the commercial for these yet, but you know that Take On Me by a-ha, that iconic song from the 80s?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
So Lay's partnered with 3 Canadian artists to re-record it, 3 different genres, representing the three different flavors. So really fun, perfect for a summer playlist. And you can find more at lays.ca/flavor icons.
Yeah, and come on, what's a party without some chips, right?
Exactly.
You know, and then you know, if the chips aren't doing it, yeah, they are pretty good, right? Yeah, I'm gonna send a letter into them. They really like it. And if you're not into chips, or maybe post chips, you got to cool down. Even if you don't have the pool, you got some ice cream.
Okay, so this is a great idea if you have a lot of people over, just to save yourself some time during the party. Now, my ice cream is a little melted, but what you'll do,
it's okay. Viewers, it's okay, right?
But you'll take your ice cream and pre-scoop it into little silicone cups, and then what you can do is freeze these so that when it's time for your party, time for dessert, you can just pull them out and guests can have their own ice cream. Yeah, see,
that one's being difficult.
It works better if you haven't had ice cream sitting around in the studio under the hot lights. But
that's okay.
You can add your fruit. You know, even set this up for a DIY Sunday station. But you know, once you have everything scooped, then you'll freeze them, and then everybody can grab their own individual cups. It just makes it that much easier when you're serving at a party. Lots of people. You don't have to worry about your ice cream melting.
Absolutely. No, these are some good suggestions. I'll definitely be getting some of these chips, and my kids already have a bunch of these. So if anyone's hosting me for a party, buy some for my children, okay? Denise Wild, thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you so much.
We really appreciate the tips. So that's going to do it for this morning on Morning Live. We're all done for the day, but you can come back tomorrow, watch some more Morning Live featuring me. Tim's not back yet, so tune in to see me and Annette tomorrow morning, 6 a.m. That's great.